Eightcap, welcome to today's update. Today we're taking a look at the GER30 on the daily chart. So US futures at the moment are pushing lower. We have US retail sales data to come as well later this evening. It will be 8:30 a.m. Eastern time in New York. So the focus at the moment on the GER30 is we're seeing the price wedged in between the resistance level here and support seen down here. But if we zoom in a bit, we can still see that the trend is still up. But if we zoom in a bit, we can see a bit of a wedge slash diagonal pattern here showing the consolidation, and we are wondering now if we are going to see a breakout of this pattern, and maybe we could see a return to the trend line if markets do continue lower today, or could we see a move out and a test of this resistance and a break to set up a new continuation pattern, which would ultimately try and suggest that this trend is going to continue further. We can see this is a pretty mature trend at the moment. It's been running since October last year. So that's the focus so far today, is just keeping an eye on this pattern to see if we do see a break higher or lower. It really does need to clear these two levels, but if we do see a move lower, don't be surprised if we do see some resistance and support pick up once back again at that 15,754 area for the DAX. So volume is dropping, which is good to see in a consolidation pattern like that. So I think really now it will just come down to something that gives the market a bit of drive, either up or down, and we'll see a breakout of this pattern, and then we'll be looking to these levels to see what's next. If we do see a break of that support, we really would be looking for maybe a test of this trend line, and then either a new higher low to form or a potential lower high, maybe and a break through that trend line. But for now, to the upside as well, after just advising, we'd want to see a break of this resistance with a new lower high and then a new higher high to suggest that this trend is going to keep running. But for now, we really need to see which way we get the break and which side of the market will come out victorious, and or even if we just continue to trade range bound in between these two levels for a period of time. So we'll see if we do get some movement during this week and get a breakout of this stalemate. So that's it for today's update. Thank you very much for your time. All the best to you trading for the rest of the day, and keep an eye out on the US retail sales and Canadian data that's coming out later today. Thanks, and bye for now.